Today's reading goal is to be able to list and explain the political factors that shaped the development of the nation. Lesson 11, Section 1, Launching the New Government. On April 30th, 1789, George Washington took the oath of office as the first President of the United States. After his inauguration, Washington addressed both houses of Congress and asked them to work with him to put into place the wise measures on which the success of this government must depend. At times, his hands shook so much that he had trouble reading his speech. The debate over Washington's title. Washington had reason to be nervous because the first Congress was deeply divided. Some members were eager to build a strong national government, while others were just as eager to limit the power of the new government. These differences showed up immediately in a debate over what title to use when addressing the president. Vice President John Adams pointed out that European heads of government had titles like Your Excellency that showed respect for their office. The president, he argued, should have a similar title. Supporters of a strong national government agreed. Others argued that such titles smelled of royalty and had no place in a democracy. A few members of Congress joked that the rather plump Adams should be given the title His Rotundity or His Roundness. The debate finally ended when Washington let it be known that he preferred the simple title Mr. President. Setting up the executive branch. Next, Congress turned to the task of creating executive departments. As Washington had feared, arguments broke out at once over what those departments should be and what powers they should have. Congress eventually approved 3 departments. The Department of State was set up to handle relations with other countries. The Department of War was established to defend the nation. The Treasury Department was set up to oversee the nation's finances. Finances is the money that a person, company, or nation has and how it is managed. Congress also created an Attorney General to serve as the President's legal advisor and a Postmaster General to head the postal system. Washington chose men he trusted, such as Thomas Jefferson, Alexander Hamilton, and Henry Knox, to fill these positions, as he often met with them to ask for their ideas and advice. The heads of the executive departments came to be known as the President's Cabinet.